I got that done for now. Come back in like 2 hours, take this tape off and stuff, and get some of these parts put back on back here. Man, I got a dry spot right here. I went through once and looked at everything with the phone because I don't have the best lighting in here, and everything looked good. Once I pulled out the clear, because I don't have the bucket that I mixed it in no more. Once I poured it out in my paint bucket, I went and looked again, and I had one clear spot. I mean, one dry spot. But other than that, everything's good. Floor wet. Wetting that flow does the trick, man. So when I come back, I start wet sanding the whole car and then finishing all the little body work. So what I'm gonna do for this spot is keep this door. I'm gonna take all this off and then remask that spot, right? And then when I'm already shooting some clear on that side, I'll just take care of that. And I mix too much, so I'm gonna do a lesser ratio. But in total, I got 5 quarts, so I should be able to get this car done. It's like more than half a gallon. It's probably like 3/4 of the gallon left, and then 3/4 of the activator. But it's pretty sticky already. Should be good here in a second. So what time is it now? 5 o'clock. I'm gonna come back at 7. Unmask it, and then I gotta go get some supplies like some napkins, some mixing cups, because y'all seen that big cup I was mixing with, a bunch of little stuff. So I'll try to come back tonight, unmask this, put some parts on, try to get a little bit of everything together. I got the lights came in, put them in tonight, put that on my list to bring back. But yeah, I'm gonna come back tonight for like an hour and a half, finish the body work in that door. Literally not much left in this door. Only thing left is under here. Yeah, this door pretty straight. I re-welded it right there, but it's good now. Yeah, other than that, need a wash, clean up this floor. We good, roof done, literally almost there. Hopefully I can finish it this weekend. Tight space, but anyway, I'm out.
Yep, going home for a second. Hey, I know I'm looking crazy. I need to put my chapstick on. Matter of fact, let me do that. Like I said, I know I'm looking crazy, dust all over my face and all that, but there's some tips and tricks, man, for people who just starting out like me. Plastic, the paint does not soak into the plastic. It like stick to it, and when you blow on it, like I was trying to test and see my spray pattern, and paint that was sticking to it blew off the plastic onto the base coat. I was like, dang, maybe I should just use paper, because the paper soak it in and it don't go through the paper at all, unless the paper real thin or cheap. But that's automotive masking paper. I bought that years ago, man, but finally getting the chance to use it. Anyway, if you use some plastic, just take that as a tip, like could possibly blow off the plastic into your paint. So that'd be bad if you're doing like some candy or some chameleon and stuff like that. So now I see why some people use plastic and some people use paper, because if it's base coat, it's like whatever. But if it's anything with pearl or anything, then it's another situation. So here's my wife. Pretty sure she got something to say. Let's see what they got to say. What's up, y'all?
I was coming to bring you some food.
Oh, I was coming home.
Oh, yay!
Not for
Did you get some
not
pay?
for the day.
Oh.
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah, what you going home for?
Because I'm letting it sit for now.
Oh, well,
Want to
I
see?
can wait if you want me to wait. That's fine.
Oh, you want to see later? What's up, baby?
Okay, I'll turn around then.
Alright. Back at the SCS Steve Chevy shop. Hey, got my wife right here. She's about to get out and check it out. See if she approve or disapprove. I had to cut the heat on because she anemic. But about to get these girls up out of here. So I'm about to go get the supplies that I need and let them check it out real quick. Ready to see it?
Don't touch it.
You like it?
Look at this.
Check in the other side.
Look at this part.
It's really good right here.
Yeah, that was really hard getting that paper on there.
Right here.
Yeah, this the side that was hit.
Whoa.
Look. She's showing her this time.
Yay!
Look like no black was on there, huh?
Nope. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. This is like a totally different car. It is really coming along, Nun. I'm proud of you. Give me a 5. You did good. Look at that.
Yeah, we about to get that other side tonight.
It looks
I need to find this other piece. This other piece like this. Go right there. Where
It
is
looks
it?
so good. I can't
Look at
believe
the
my
doors
car is
over there.
white.
Check the doors out. The brown and white go together.
I mean, Dad is done.
Oh my goodness. This is like a totally different
Daddy's
car.
done.
Yeah,
Whoa.
almost. Probably in 2 more days. You can touch it, but don't touch it hard.
I'm just touching
It's
this
still
yellow part.
soft.
One more day.
Oh my goodness. It looks really good. It looks so much better to me.
Like it should have came white, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we should have definitely got a white one. Oh, this is cute, hon. Oh, I didn't even see the... Let me see. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I like it. I really like it. Oh, it's popping. This is cute, nice.
Thank you. You know, I'm trying to get it to you Monday, but you know you're trying to stop that. Trying to take the Sunday from a young dude
That's our Sunday, nigga.
when you already agreed to.
Did you not say you only need till noon?
I'll
Don't try to make me seem like...
take it. I'm just gonna get up early, real early. I'll take it. 9 o'clock. I did a lot of cleaning on a lot of the stuff that was sitting around while waiting on the extremely long flash time. But overall, man, it's coming out pretty cool. I got more dry spots that I didn't even notice. Let me pop the trunk, show y'all a dry spot that I didn't even get color on. It's a spot that I didn't even get color on, but I'll show y'all real quick. I ain't never afraid to show y'all, man. Everything is fixable. A lot of people don't believe it, but right there, them 2 spots. It ain't all that bad. It definitely ain't all that good because now I gotta keep the trunk open while I spray quarter panel, get some color in there. But I don't really care because this piece is gonna be wrapped with the weather strip. It's the bottom piece, which I really don't care about either because it's gonna be trunk. It's not gonna be open when it's driven. And these look dry, but I mean, where they are dry, they're gonna get painted once the hood is closed. Y'all see in a second. They're gonna get painted, so I'm not really too much worried about that spot because all that's gonna get hit again. But yeah, so I'm trying to think if I really want to go all into it. Swept it up, got my water from the house. Gonna get ready to mask all this up, put these LEDs in, and then finish this little body work. So I'm gonna tackle the body work first, and I'm thinking about this too. Like, do I really want to fill all the wells in on this? Because all this gonna get covered with this weather stripping right here. Like I said, I just started painting, so I don't know shortcuts and what people be doing. I don't know if I really want to go all crazy, but the body work done for the most part in here. So once I prime, I'm gonna see what it look like, and if it don't look good enough to me, I'm gonna do it over like I do. And then while it's drying here and there, take care of the body work down here, which is kind of early, but all this is wet sand residue. But I'm still trying to think, man, what do I do? So I'm gonna figure it out in a second. Kind of think just cover it up, because if I put the wet stripping on, it's gonna cover all of it. So I mean, it's the factory ones. They don't look factory, but still, they ain't all that bad. But filling them ain't gonna be too bad, and it won't take too long to sand either. I got new sanding techniques. Took me a while to catch up, but we'll see you in a second. So I'm gonna start taping and masking. Cut my music on, get it going. Yep, looking good, man. Hopefully I can get the board knocked out. So the door jams take as long as a whole car, and that's for real. But that's one of the key essentials, man. People pay extra, a half what you charge or more just to do door jams, unless you got ridiculous pay rate. But yep, I'm about to go ahead and get to it. Like I said, man, I got the other side moved over. Hit my curfew time. Emblem came, LEDs came. They are in right now. A bolt broke on the front headlights, man, when I was tightening it up. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about this. Bolt broke right there. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I can heat it up and unloosen it, but I don't want to damage the paint. The other side went in just fine. I'm about to see what it look like right now. Got the doors partially masked up. This is an hour and a half worth of work since I came back. So this, moving the car. I had already did this part because I primed that. This tape and this stuff, that tape. What else I did? Sweep and vacuum. I guess that's it, man. But it felt like I did a lot. It always feel like you do a lot when you actually don't do that much. But I'm about to turn this car on and see what they look like. Yep, bright and light like I like. Hopefully they don't like loosen up or nothing like that. But they actually look real good. Turn the lights off real quick. Alright, got the lights off, seeing what they look like before I go in the house, man. Yeah, nice and white, bluish. These headlights gonna get a restoration kit took to them. Y'all actually can't see it, man, but lights got a Chevy emblem. Okay, yeah, y'all can see them in there. I never really noticed that, the Chevy emblem on it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's just like a big blur right there until you get closer. Same thing here. But yeah, man, it look real good. I dig it a lot.